Hello campers, we're going to continue with our lesson review of all the lessons that we covered. So it says, I can use patterns to count to 100. Core counting, 32 to 43, means that you would say 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, and 43. And if you notice, each number, all you're doing is adding one more every time. Like this would be 31, 32 plus 1 equals 32. 33 is the next number, so it will be 32 plus 1 will equal 33, and so forth. Patterns can help us continue a counting sequence. Like here, you would have the numbers 16, 17, 18. What's missing? 19, 20, 21, then 22. And you could also use your 100 chart if you need to use as a reference. Here you have the number 60, 70, you will go 80, 90, and then 100. Here, boys and girls, you're counting by tens. All right. The fun activity, put a handful of beans or bottle tops or paper clips or cotton balls in a bag. Then put them in groups of 2s, 5s, and 10s. How many groups can you make of 2s? How many can you make of 5s? And how many can you make of 10s? And then your biggest portion will be, how many do you need to make 100? Place value. Place value tells us the value of each digit in a number. Example, 14. The 1 is in the tens place and the 4 is in the ones place. The number 26, the number 2 is in the tens place and the number 6 is in the ones place. We also learned how you can analyze, compare, and create shapes. Vocabulary words helps us to be precise when we are discussing geometry, measurements, addition, subtraction, etc. So we're going to reteach, which means it helps us to review what we already learned. For example, a square has 4 sides. 2D shapes are flat, such as a circle, a rectangle, a square, and a triangle. 3D shapes are called solids, which are the sphere, the cube, the cylinder. Vertices, which means the corners on the shapes. I'm going to show you one little quick one. This one says 3D shapes can stack, slide, roll, and have flat surfaces. 1. Solid figures that roll would be a cylinder, a sphere, and a cone. Number 2, solid figures that stacks, cylinder, cone, and a cube. Number 3, solid figures that slide, cone, cube, and a cylinder. And as you can see, I make sure I put in the cute little graphics to go hand in hand with the lesson that we're talking about. And for a fun activity, boys and girls, I have one quick fun activity that goes along with shapes. Look around your house or either outside for shapes and tell a buddy or family member the name of the shape and if it is 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional and the location. Example, you are to say something like this. I see a purple square frame that is 2-dimensional shape above the table. So this is our fun activity to go along with this particular lesson. Enjoy.